Hi, I'm Mark. I'm a tech blogger. As privacy and security are two of the biggest issues right now in the tech scene. So can you give an overview about the process that was involved in making sure that the application was secure and will be secure in the coming years?
Yeah, I suppose you need to step back for a little bit. And I mentioned this earlier. When you get the chance to build something from scratch, you really have the opportunity to consider security from the beginning rather than security as a bolt-on. Had we have had our own aging fleet of technology and put security on top and tried to bolt it on like a mobile app or something like that on top of our aging fleet, it would be a promise that's very difficult to fulfill. But when you do it from the outset, you can do things that are very different than what you would traditionally do. For example, when we first started designing the bank, we tagged all the data elements in the bank against our own classification, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And we were able to tag each one and understand which ones we are comfortable to leave the bank and which ones we prefer to stay inside. So we're able to do those types of, let's call them core fundamental pieces that you just traditionally would not do had you have had an existing fleet, because it's just so complex, as you can imagine. And then secondly, once we build this app, not only do we build it in the sense that we engineer the features and functions that are required by the business, but we also have full-time security teams that are hacking the app, using external agencies, testing against the app. We are throwing it through pipelines where we test given vulnerabilities and exploits that we understand, and we run that through automated machines all the time, every day, with every build. We run that through every single time. And then we actually have external agencies and independent agencies, and we have our own ING agencies. And I can tell you I've had about 7 of those since the last 6 months. Constantly doing it over and over again, identifying issues and ironing them out early. This is the key point here. It's not something that we've bolted on. When you see the app and when you understand what we've done, you really take a look at it and ask yourself, why have these guys gone for liveness detection? We could have easily have just gone with a selfie like any other bank, but we didn't. We went with liveness. We asked you to perform a gesture, a random gesture, because we want to make sure you're alive. We want to make sure it's you. Why are we binding the app to the phone? We could have just been like any other bank and had a username and password, but we didn't. We bind it to the phone. If you look at the way we're doing transactions and the way the app behaves, it's actually very different. It's baked in security from the beginning, and it's applied security all the way throughout. And we have external agencies and internal agencies checking over and over again the security of the app, and that's how we get confident that we can actually go live.
Thank you. Thank you so much.